I made a really cool discovery lately and I wanted to share it with you. If you've always wanted to draw but found the process of learning tedious, maybe frustrating, discouraging, I found this, which is magical. I love it. You Can Draw in 30 Days by Mark Kistler. The subtitle is The Fun, Easy Way to Learn to Draw in 1 month or Less, and this couldn't be truer. This book really delivers on a promise of 30 days, 20 minutes a session. Everybody has 20 minutes. There are many reasons why I find this book magical. The first is that it's made to be easily digestible information, as in it's not technical whatsoever. The author makes it very simple, straight to the point, and also super funny. It's very lighthearted, there's jokes, it doesn't take itself seriously. You get a sketchbook and a pencil. It starts at the very basic level, but it's fun. Every lesson is super fun to do, super easy to do. It's basically the easiest possible effort for the biggest possible payoff. And I feel like as beginners, we tend to get discouraged easily when we don't have the confidence and the experience behind us to say that, yes, we're learning, we're gonna get there eventually. So at the beginning stages, we need that big payoff of, yeah, it's working, oh my God, I'm impressed. And this book really delivers. It doesn't look like much like this. Nothing glam, glossy paper with colored pictures, but the content is so easily digestible, so much fun. And like I said, it's just funny, instructive, easy, and great. I have more experience in painting than drawing just because I was always more attracted to painting and to color, but I do enjoy expressive drawing as well. I was never one to sit down and go through the technical aspect of drawing. So even if I can reproduce something pretty realistically, I find it very tedious work and difficult. But with this book, I am learning a lot. Even if I can draw to a certain extent, I'm still learning the theory in a way that is very accessible, very manageable, and easy to remember. If you already feel pretty confident in your drawing skills, this might not be for you. But if you find drawing too complicated, unreachable, or difficult, this will change your mind. It'll make drawing fun. I've put together a list of my favorite art supplies for beginners if you want to go and take a look at it. If you love art, please subscribe. I'd love to have you back, and I'll see you in just a few days for another one. Thanks for watching. Bye. And get this book, The Beginner's Bible for Drawing. It's really cool.